Every classic car lover knows that the stereo is one of the defining features of your vehicle. After all, what's a sunny cruise in your well-loved, renovated vintage car if not centre stage for the music to go along with it? But what if you could customise your stereo to fit you and your car perfectly? After all, you can change the wheels to your preference, so why not the stereo? Good news, you've come to the right place. If you're watching this video, you've seen that we specialise in classic car stereos imported from the USA. What you might not have known is that when we say you can build your stereo to be perfectly tailored to your preferences, we mean it. Every single feature of our stereos can be swapped out so you truly can build your very own custom-made car stereo. So how do we manage that? Well, our stereos are modular. That means each and every part is separate and built especially to your taste. Just let us know your choice for each part and we'll do the rest. Before you know it, you'll be cruising around with a sound system that will match you and your car perfectly. We should warn you now, you'll be the envy of everyone at the car meets. And don't worry, just because the stereos look vintage doesn't mean they embody the technology of their time. We've thought of everything. Our stereos have all the fancy features of the most modern radios of today. Yes, that's right, that includes Bluetooth and digital audio. We told you people would be jealous. As classic car enthusiasts ourselves, we know how important those final touches are to your car. So go on, treat yourself. Trust us, you won't regret it, especially when you hear how good the sound quality is. We can't wait to see what you choose.